morning, good morning, good morning, good morning.
Qué silencio más profundo estuvo aquí.
Yes, I think you're sad. I don't know what happened. So, please, your cameras, Ricky, Justin, Matthias, Sander, that's connecting, Noboa, thank you. Okay, so today is a quickly class because today we will check only the conclusions and recommendations. Yes, I'm like a bird. So conclusions and recommendation, and it's so easy. I have a presentation for you. We will explain it, and that's all. So we will start. Ricky, your camera, tu cámara, porfa. So wait a minute, please. Let me search where is them. Okay, so okay, so we have conclusions and recommendations. And in this part, we have what is a conclusion. So please, please, Placencia, help me reading what is a conclusion.
In conclusion, here we have the result obtained for each object.
Yeah.
Sigue leyendo.
Yes, please.
Summaries argument with parsing how you prevent the objective.
Yeah, so thank you, Isaac. So we have the conclusions are the results of the objectives, the specific objectives. Yes. So what do we need to do? We need to summarize all arguments, but paraphrasing how you prove the objectives. Yes. So how you know we have 3 specific objectives. So for this reason, that means that we have 3 conclusions. I have an example. For example, my specific objective is to list the benefits of staying at home. That's my specific objective. Now, what is my conclusion? The video has shown, because in this case I will take a video, the video was shown all the benefits for the people that stayed at home by following the rules successfully. Yeah? So, for each specific objective, you have a conclusion. And what does this mean? That means that is the result, the conclusion is the result of the objective. Yeah? So, it's so easy in this part. Now we have the recommendations. I don't share the screen.
Listen, iba a compartir nuestros cómics.
No, today no, because I need that you work in the project. Recommendations. We have the recommendations. They must be addressed according to the following questions. We have 6 questions. Yes, and number 1, what should be done? The action. Second one, who will do it? Third one, where will it be done? Fourth, when will you do it? 5, why should it be done? And the last one, how will it affect? Yes, so there are 6 questions that we need to take into account in order to complete the recommendations. Yes, so for example, I have an example and it's related with the last conclusion that was this one. Yes, recuerden que teníamos esta conclusión que decía que mostraba los beneficios de seguir las reglas. So, what is my recommendation? I say, the students must follow the rules to avoid the spread of COVID-19 in Quito in this time of quarantine. Yes, that is my suggestion. That is my recommendation. Yes, so we have 3 specific objectives that are joined with the 3 conclusions, and the conclusions are joined with the 3 recommendations. Yes? For each conclusion, we have a recommendation. Now, we have another option. If you don't want to take into account the recommendation, no, the conclusion, to write the recommendation, you can write the recommendations about the main topic. Yes, and what is the main topic? The main topic is the COVID. But you need to write 3. Okay? So you have 2 options in order to write the recommendations. So let's gonna check if you are learning or not. Please, Ricky, the recommendation, we need to write it about the conclusions or the introduction?
Introduction.
No. The recommendations, we write about the conclusions or the main aspect that is covered. Please, Ariana, how many recommendations we need to write?
Pues, ¿cómo lo diría?
Hi, Christian. How many recommendations we need to write?
Las recomendaciones,
How many?
¿cómo les entendió?
¿Cuántas? ¿Cuántas debemos escribir?
3, no son.
3. Your classmates are helping you. 3 recommendations, okay? So we have 3 specific objectives, 3 conclusions, and 3 recommendations. We need to write the recommendations about the conclusions or the main aspect that is covered. The conclusions we need to write about the specific objectives or the result. Yes? And that's all. So, who is sleeping in this meeting? We will check it. Vale, Valentina, we made the conclusions according to the introduction, yes or not?
Yes.
Yes, no. We made the conclusion according to the specific objectives, not the introduction. No. Now, please, let me check who is here. Rafa, what is a recommendation? A suggestion or an obligation?
A suggestion.
Thank you so much. A suggestion. So that's all, guys. It's not difficult. It's so easy, the last part. And I hope that you finish that project because it's the last part. Don't stress. You are in the last part. Yes. Help me, guys. Please work hard. Check the instructions and try to complete the project. Try to complete the comic. I hope today finish to check all the comics. I hope that. So please.
Dicen, esta es la última vez que nos veamos.
No, we have classes on Monday and Tuesday, so don't worry about that. But I need the projects for Friday. Yes. And the same homework en el mismo insumo, por favor, y ya les digo únicamente la fecha. ¿Listo? Por favor, necesito que se quede Justin, Chicaiza y nadie más. Los demás, muchas gracias, chicos.
Y se le dice.
Nos vemos.